Welcome to the market where the bulls and bears play. Watch the numbers dance as we start a brand new day. The Nasdaq's colors bright, the future's in our sight. We're here to own the future, everything's alright. Stream starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion in a Nasdaq ballet. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. Tickers on the rise and some may fall, but with Nasdaq's guidance we can conquer all. Dynamic moves ahead in this financial hall. Join us on this journey, let's answer the call. Stream starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion in a Nasdaq ballet. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. So sit back, relax, the stream's about to start. With Nasdaq's melody, we'll capture your heart. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. Welcome to the market where the bulls and bears play. Watch the numbers dance as we start a brand new day. With Nasdaq's colors bright and futures in our sight. We're here to own the future, everything's alright. Stream starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion in a Nasdaq ballet. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. Tickers on the rise and some may fall, but with Nasdaq's guidance we can conquer all. Dynamic moves ahead in this financial hall. Join us on this journey, let's answer the call. Stream starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion in a Nasdaq ballet. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. Streams start to rise and some may fall, but with Nasdaq's guidance we can conquer all. Dynamic moves ahead in this financial hall. Join us on this journey, let's answer the call. Stream starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion in a Nasdaq ballet. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. So sit back, relax, the stream's about to start. With Nasdaq's melody, we'll capture your heart. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. Welcome to the market, where the bulls and bears play. Watch the numbers dance as we start a brand new day. With Nasdaq's colors bright and futures in our sight, we're here to own the future. Everything's alright. Stream starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion in a Nasdaq ballet. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. Tickers on the rise, and some may fall, but with Nasdaq guides, we can conquer all. Dynamic moves ahead in this financial hall. Join us on this journey, let's answer the call. Stream starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion in a Nasdaq ballet. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. Relax, the stream's about to start. With Nasdaq's melody, we'll capture your heart. Oh, yeah. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay.
All right. Good morning. Monday, June 23rd. Let's see what we get in the markets today. A lot of news and stuff over the weekend. Markets going up, markets going down. Talk about it throughout the day. Currently at market open, we got Bulenox open 21,871. Mark that. Go. Market is open. New York session. This is the Globex open, so that's the overnight open. Get some music going. Zoom out. See what we got. Good daily chart. I know it's hard to see. Push up, coming back down. One week, it is a Monday. We have a kind of an inverse hammer for last week at the highs. 60-minute chart. Like we're, ooh. Yeah. Gotta turn that on before I forget. Hourly chart. We don't need this. Looks like everything else is decent. Guess we'll mark this one. Want to know where those support and resistance. Had a gap here. We came down, we tested it, filled it, but we still have an order block, so I'll leave that. All right, let's get. Have a good day. Be patient. Look for good setups. Back to the 2-minute chart, pushing custom VWAP. Go down, test support 21,775. What do we get after that? Break that, we come down, get rid of this one. And we got the 21,700. Just give us targets throughout the day so we know what we're trading. Yeah, that's a 2-minute candle there. I might have missed the. I think I missed that trade. Yeah, it happens. Yeah, 2-minute chart. Did it not trigger? I just not triggered. I don't know. Yeah. All right. I was looking for the break of the 2-minute candle there. It worked great. What else we got? All right. And then the headphones.
Sweat drips slow, watching the ticks rise and fall like a show. Every second's a punch, every move's a blow. Future's on fire, but I won't let go. Come down, test the support. Looks like it'll be pushing back up off of it. I want to see how it reacts here. And it's burning me whole. Trade it up, trade it down, feel the heat. Future spinning fast, howling like a heartbeat. Hold the line, grip it hard, no retreat. Future's on fire, it's the thrill of defeat. Oh.
Nice push up now. I'm gonna look for this 5 minute. Do we get an inside candle? Do we push up, drop down, trap all the bears, just take them all out? Good morning. Yeah, me too. It's a Monday. Give me a sec. I gotta meet you. I gotta loot. Nightbot. You should always fight for a good entry price. That's one of the few things that really matter. That's right. I like it. Omnius. Always fight for a good price. Done already. Now I saw that on my phone earlier, and I had a question. That Mike stunts, wasn't there a butter stunts? So are we talking the same guy? So now we gotta get the ultimate question. Is that the same guy?
It's like the day's almost over, and I just completely.
What's everybody
My
talking
computer's
about? Day's almost over.
Yeah,
You
day's
just
almost
got
over.
here.
I know, that's what I said. Day's almost over. There we go. Mike stunts, butter stunts.
Did we get an
Who
answer?
was-
What was the answer?
About what? If it's the same guy?
Yeah.
I don't know. They're not. Yeah, it's for them to know and us to find out.
There you go.
But maybe not. Who knows? Not the same guy. I don't think so. You know how we'll know it's not the same guy? Hey, Mike. Butterstunts knows this already. He comes into my Discord. I'm in a public chat room, so if ever you're in the mood to chat, you just go into the public and you can join. Like right now, Omnius just jumped in. It's open to the public, so if ever you're in the mood to, chat on the mic, you don't have to enable your camera.
Hey,
Most people don't.
I'm pulling you from the Discord today, so we're gonna try it different.
Yeah, okay. Most people don't. They don't enable their camera. They just chat. Just so you know that's available. Link is in the description. Oops, that didn't work out. Any new sales in Bulenox or not really?
I haven't even checked. I haven't even been on the computer all weekend.
Okay.
It's been one of those weekends.
Okay, may do it one day. Sure, you're more than welcome. Come in, say hi, we talk markets. Don't be shy. In the beginning, people are a little shy in the beginning, I get it, but you know what? It comes pretty quickly. First day Butterstunts was in the room, he didn't say a lot. By the second time he was in the room, he would be saying things like, "Hey Mike, shut up, I was talking." He lost all composure. Shyness out the window, that's it, gone.
Oh, they're both in the room now, huh? Not the same guy.
I'm joking, but the Butterstunts didn't do that. But what is funny though, I was just working on my setup. I was working on this one. Check it out. Let's see if it works. A big mic. Wrong chart though. But I was working on this kind of setup over here with a big image, and just playing with it. So while I'm working on it,
I like the shirt.
Yeah, thank you. It was a gift. You know, it was a gift from
The wife or the daughter?
Nah, James G, subscriber.
Really?
Subscribe. So he's subscriber of the week. Check it out. You didn't see it. He's subscriber of the week.
Shouts out to him. That's awesome. James G, subscriber of the week. I like it.
Cool. Eh? He didn't say a lot when I first met him. Long all day. And your support, really? I snuck that one in too. Oh, and here I did one for Skeleton Emperor. Sorry, Skeleton Emperor. We're overusing it today, but I like them. They're funny. Check this one out.
I think I've seen that one on the phone. That's the first time I've seen that one. Yeah, I like it.
You have to hear it. You hear it?
No. Hold on. Give me a second.
Ah, if you don't hear him, it's completely different.
All right. Play it.
And for the subscriber of the week, it was fireworks and cheering. Gonna switch my Bulenox back to rhythmic and see how it goes.
I gotta have your stream muted, so it's hard for me to hear it.
Yeah, no, I know. I have your stream muted also. Actually, I don't even have your stream up. Yeah, they're fun to do. Okay, I can't even log into my own account. Is that crazy or what, eh? It's like I got hacked, but I know I didn't get hacked. I know what happened. Oh, no, I'm not gonna like your stream.
Don't like it. Dislike it. I don't care.
No, that's not what it is. We'll talk about it later. No, that doesn't work either. That won't connect anymore either.
What? You can't deal me in?
No, there's no deal me in today. There's no nothing. I'm lucky. Man. I can't chat in my own chat. No, I'm telling you, I'm locked out of a lot of things today. I don't know why. I think it's the lucky shirt. No, I'm locked out of a lot of things.
That's all right. Hey, it goes along with my weekend.
Yeah. I don't know. You were talking about a lazy weekend.
Yeah, you remember that?
Yeah, I do.
That would have been great, wouldn't it?
Yeah, no, I didn't get anything close to that.
Me neither.
Wow, I swear to God, I lost my shit on Sunday already with my daughter.
Yeah.
Guys, it's enough. Leave me. From Saturday till Sunday night, 10 o'clock. If Dad, if Dad had a free second, if Dad even turned to walk out of the kitchen, someone grabbed me.
What's the alert for? Oh, we got news.
Oh, there's an alert. There's a news alert.
Flash manufacturing 9:45. That's now.
Oh shit! Antonio usually updates the Discord. I don't know if he did that. 9:45.
Played the alert right at the news. Well, hold on, it might have been my fault. I didn't hear it earlier. Then at 10 o'clock, we got medium folder home sales. Yeah, I guess the alert's in my ear, so you don't hear it.
Yeah, so I'm using Nightbot today for my first time.
How's that working out?
Well, as soon as Butterstuns typed something in, it deleted all his messages and put him in timeout.
What?
I don't know how to work it. He typed in caps. He typed in all caps.
Oh yeah.
So it said, "Stop spam
Stop spamming.
all caps, timeout, and deleted his messages. That's pretty serious, you know? Like, how about, hey, no caps, please, or whatever? Anyways, I removed all the chat moderations, but the messages keep coming up way too early. I'm
going back to read it. Butter stunts terminated. Stop spamming caps.
It says terminated?
Yeah. Uh-huh.
Wow.
Stop spamming caps. Warning. That was a warning. Next time there will be serious consequences.
Hey, you didn't wish me happy birthday. You're the only one. You're the only one.
Happy birthday. Happy 35, right?
35.
35.
Actually,
35 plus.
Actually, we said the one who's last has to sing it. So you got to hope that somebody else shows up late.
Let's see. We got Woodchip that can join in and sing.
No, he was in before. Hey, Joker! Joker's last. Joker's got us, and Joker's a good singer. I need a prime number. $11. Okay. There we go. I added prime numbers to all the messages. Hopefully.
Woodchip don't know how to join. Now Cat's got his tongue.
Oh, no fucking day.
Long all day, huh? Nothing pushes the market like war. I don't know. I could see long all day. Look at the hourly chart.
Yeah, I don't get to look at anything yet. I mean, I did have an early long bias, but then it must be war, right? That's a scuffle. It's a skerfuffle. It's not even a scuffle.
Yeah, whatever you want to call it.
It was one bombing raid. That's it. That's not a war.
Wait, I thought it was 3.
No, one. No, three places, but one all at the same time. I don't even know if your audio's on, to be honest with you, eh? Go speak.
Yeah, you hear me now?
Yeah, it looks like it's working. You're supposed to check.
Oh, it's on because I heard the loop earlier when I turned your stream on.
Yeah. Had a great weekend. I did have a good weekend. I had a surprise party. I didn't even mention it to you guys. Okay, I have a theory. It's impossible to pull off a surprise party. Somebody always ruins it, or as you're walking to the restaurant or to the room, you see somebody in the parking lot, or you see somebody, you know, it always gets ruined. No, you don't get to say, surprise, and surprise the guy. The guy always knows, and then, or the girl, and they always pretend. I actually had a surprise party, and they got me. Wow, that was crazy. You know what? See, that's the benefit of being an old man and not recognizing faces anymore. Yeah, listen, crazy story. So it's a restaurant up north. I told you guys, I told a few of you guys I was up north on the weekend. Restaurant up north. To meet everyone drive for an hour and a half up north to go to this restaurant. We always go to the back. 5 years we park in the back. You know, and they're all sitting in the front on the terrace. I turn and I go for the front. She's having a heart attack. What the fuck? We always park in the back. Just out of the blue. I said I was in the mood to park in the front. Anyways, I find a parking spot not near the terrace, so it's not so bad yet. We're starting to walk, and I see a girl that looks like one of my daughter's friends. My brain goes, hey, that looks like Dina. But I'm clued out. I don't pay attention. I just see the girl. I don't even look who's at the table, so I just see the girl. Then as I'm walking, we get closer. I see my daughter. It doesn't occur to me it's a surprise party, because even though the table is full with like another 13 people, I don't look. And I say, oh, my daughter came to the same restaurant as us, because I've been there a few times with my daughter. I said, wow, what a coincidence. My daughter's here. Anyways, it was like that the whole way. Then I get to the table and I go, oh my God, my children are here. They must have joined with Megan. And then I looked beside that. Laura, my wife's friend, is here. Like, it was just went one after the after. Sophie, Saki, wow, look at that. Jimmy, James, and his wife, and then Steve and his wife. I said, oh my, like, I swear to God, it was the craziest thing. It was, I won't say a mind fuck, but it was really, really strange. Now I know what it is to get a surprise party and to be surprised. Not a lot of people get to know that feeling. It actually.
Happy birthday
to you.
Ah, you guys
Happy
are so
birthday
That's
to you.
I don't even know who's in the room. What, Chip?
Happy birthday.
Hey, Futures Floor Mike. Happy birthday
Come on now.
to you.
Happy
Thank you
birthday.
Thank you very much. Now let's get in some trades. Let's get in some winning trades. But let me first fix my,
He wanted happy birthday. Now he's trying to get away from it.
Dude, this is long all day. Long all day, bro.
Yeah.
Buy and hold diamond hands. Right?
I mean, think about all the people that waited all weekend and listened to all the fucking news, and now this is what they have to deal with. They're trying to go short.
Remember what I told you about my diamond hands?
No diamond hands?
Banana hands.
Oh yeah, banana hands. That's good. I used to call a famous piano player banana hands because his fingers were so long.
Oh, no, I'm banana hands because every winning trade somehow slips out of my fingers. I'm not a good holder. Hey, you know what? I think I can put the time here for this. I have nowhere to throw my time.
Hey, nice sweatshirt, by the way.
Thank you, thank you. That was James. Did you see the Subscriber of the Week award?
Mm-mm.
You didn't? I get to play it again then. You have your volume on?
God, I better turn it down. You're gonna play something?
You're watching the stream?
I'm turning it down.
No,
I'm not. I'm not watching the stream because of the echo.
Ah, you're right. Well then, no. If there's no volume, then I'm not going to play it. You have to have the volume. Otherwise, it's no good. Then it's just a stupid picture.
Look at this pushing so hard. Where are we going? Does anyone know? I can tell you.
Mike, if you're going to play it, you got to say it before you play it so I can turn the volume on.
2019.
Yeah, no. I'm not going to play it. Not now, anyways. Once a day. Subscriber of the Week gets recognition once a day. I'm just playing it now more because it's new and I'm having fun.
So where we're going
Are you guys in a trade?
Not right now.
Nope, I haven't even looked at the charts yet, and it's 9:54.
You haven't even looked at the charts? No, Birthday boy.
I'm still trying to fix my screens. I switch sides like a moron. I put everything on the left side.
I'm gonna look for a pullback to open range high, see if we can get in. Looking for this to push up, break the 21,944. If we can do that, next target would be around 2290.
Yeah, I like it. Very nice.
We got a strong push after taking out all those shorts. The retested open range high would just be a scalp trade.
Just creeping the stops. Creeping the stops. Not on the funded though. Just an eval.
Okay, let's lock it.
You guys trading evals or funded? What are you guys doing?
I'm going to get to my funded today on Bulenox because I think it's been a few days and I don't want to lose them based on their 5-day rule.
Omnius is trading funded?
I trade funded and eval. And live sometimes. No, well, personal.
All at the same time? Or what are you trading right now?
Whichever one I click on.
Oh, man. That doesn't sound very good.
Well,
whichever one you click on. Yeah, okay. Well,
sometimes Sometimes
guess.
I'll group.
You don't
sometimes
want
I'll
to.
group
You don't want to
and
click on anything
copy
right
trade. Why? I don't understand.
now. Because if you don't know what account you're on, I wouldn't necessarily click on it. We're at the top right now, so if you're clicking on anything,
Well, I have my account set up in groups, so I either click this group or that group. That makes sense.
oh, you copy trade?
Yeah, sometimes.
Yeah, I've never done that. I'm too scared to do it.
But if I'm copy trading, I only do
One
a couple of accounts together, so I'm talking about in groups. So I'm not going to
Well,
trade every account together like some people do.
Yeah.
Also, sometimes I'll put different groups on different strategies.
What else?
22,027.
Okay, these fucking messages are coming up way too often.
22,027.
Yep. Easy target. I mean, like not a Babe Ruth kind of thing, right?
Omnius, I have a question for you.
I didn't do it.
Nightbot.
And anybody
Nightbot,
tells
how
you
do
I did, ask them for proof.
Yeah, you did. You told me to get Nightbot.
Do you have proof?
On another stream. How do I disable it? Do you know? Just for now until I fix it? Because I think it's going rogue.
All right, get out. Get out.
Is there a place that just stop? Oh, Nightbot online. Oh,
Yeah.
leave channel. Is that it? Just leave channel?
What? No. Just, are you on the Nightbot website?
Yeah, like right here, right corner.
I can't see, but you give me half a second and I'll go over there.
There you go. Nightbot online, leave channel.
I don't know. So what do you have it set up as? Timers? Just go turn them off.
Yeah. Oh, yeah?
There's an enable button. If you click on timers, each one has an enable button. Just turn off which one you want. Or adjust the times. Click on the pencil and click what time you want.
Well, you're the smarty pants.
If you got it set for, so it's got intervals, I think 5 minutes the least. So go
Yeah,
up to
no,
10, 30.
I have them running very far apart at prime number intervals so they don't overlap, and somehow it's just blasting them out every.
All right, you better get back in. Load up long. Come on, guys. Let's go.
Gonna load,
Let's go.
Why are we going long? You just said not to go long.
Yeah.
Oh, we retraced.
Oh, it is long. Huh. All right. He told me to.
Yeah. And then creep your stop in. 6 micros.
No, with full port.
Nah, don't.
Nah, you said
Don't
full
do that
port.
shit. No, I never said full port. But 922 is my stop. 916 my entry. I got the gap, which kind of sucks. But look at this. Holy fucking moly.
There you go, 20 points.
What the fuck are you talking about? What the fuck are you talking about? This is cancel all orders. Holy
Is it?
shit.
Cancel all orders?
Yes. Look.
What are we looking at?
Look at that big boner candle. Are you kidding me?
All I see is the 20 points profit I just took.
Yeah, exactly. 20 points, easy. I got it too. 39 is my stop. Yeah, got me.
Yeah. What Chip told me to. He said full
There
port.
it is.
So you guys
I didn't say
recommend
full
just say
port,
what
bro.
Market
I
said?
never said full port.
It
I
was a
would
joke.
never do that.
It was a joke.
I would
Calm
never
down.
do that to you. I would never do that to you until you're like 1,000 subscribers, live streamer, and then I'll tell you. I'll be like, dude, you should full port right now, bro.
Nah, it was a joke. Trying to show
Man, look at this shit. Are
trying
you
to show my
kidding me?
chart, but it don't want to work.
Plot. Maybe.
This is not something you want to trade right at this moment. It's gonna dump hard. It's gonna dump hard. it's gonna do some stuff that nobody wants to see or feel.
I mean, sometimes my chart works, sometimes it don't.
No, you did good. You got profit. That's all that matters.
Oh, you guys are taking trades. You're not helping me troubleshoot my.
No, we're
nice
not doing
problem.
any of that.
Yeah,
No, we're not doing that.
I mean, I feel like I did tell you exactly what to do.
You did, and it worked.
Did it work?
It worked. It worked.
Oh, why didn't I stay with the thesis of long all day? Jesus.
You even called it out. You're like, just hold it, diamond hands.
Yeah. Well, I didn't say diamond hands because that's a Canadian thing.
Is it?
Yeah, that's Sean. I think. Futures Floor has to verify, but I think that's Sean.
Sean who? Sean Penn?
I don't know who Sean is.
No. What are you talking about?
What are you talking about? Who's Sean?
Who's Sean?
Okay.
Oh, I don't know who's Sean. You're thinking of another channel, maybe. You're thinking
No.
of Pine Tree. Pine Tree's first name is Sean.
No, I'm not.
Who's Sean?
Mike has to come clean on the
Mike,
channel that.
Mike, is your real
I
name
don't know
Sean?
Sean. I don't know. Sean. Hold on. Let me think. I knew a Sean a long time ago. I used to go fishing with a guy named Sean when I was a kid.
Did he tell you diamond hands?
Okay, hang on a second.
Either I'm gonna have an Alzheimer's moment or you're wrong. I think you're gonna have a oh my god, I'm wrong.
So
Okay,
diamond hands has
Mike.
been around for a very long time.
Yeah.
Sean and Neil.
Ah, well, that's what you have to say. You have to call them Sean and Neil.
Oh, okay.
I don't know Sean alone like that.
Come on, give me a break.
Seriously.
Fill the rest of us in. Who is it?
Sean and Neil from DayTradeTV.live.
Day trade the world.
Day trade the world.
I
Do
think
you
that's-
guys know? You know, like, I don't know how many of you guys know this, but you can get a trading floor, physical trading floor with Day Trade the World, and they allow you to trade futures at a very low commission. Trading
This is
your own
gonna push
account,
so hard.
your own capital, and you don't have to put up capital to trade. Do you realize that?
Patrick Williams making so much money right now.
You guys didn't catch what I said, because if you did, you would have said, what? Tell me more.
How do you trade with your own capital, but it's not your capital?
They fund you.
Oh.
But here's the deal.
Like a prop firm?
Like a prop firm, but here's the deal. First off, of course, obviously you have daily risk, and to start off for your first week, it's $30. That's all you can lose in the day. And after you build a small track record, within a week, they will update you. They have a mathematical formula. You can get up to $1,000 per day risk within about a month and a half. And they fund
You can also just go long hard right now. Just go full port. And I didn't say that earlier. Omnius told me I was saying full port, but now I'm saying full port, bro.
It was a
I should
joke.
make a video on them.
Never go full port. We all know that. Unless it's an eval on news and you're trying to go both ways.
Yeah, that's true. I'm almost there on my eval.
And if you're gonna full port evals, you
I've
gotta
been
know what number to
milking
type
this.
in.
I've been milking this. I'm at 52,882. Let's go. Let's pass it right now.
The markets look like they want to explode, and volume turned positive.
All right. Oh, fuck. Almost passed it.
do-
Fuck. You got to be kidding me.
Moi.
We do
How
need
do
a
you spell that?
retest.
I said long all day.
No, you said
Good.
moi. I wanted to know how you spell it.
What?
Moi.
Oh, yeah. I'm sorry for the curse words on YouTube. I think those
Moi
get
is the curse word? Was not a curse word.
Jesus Christ.
That is.
Oh, is that? That's also one.
I
Sorry.
think that's the curse word. It's okay. It's like the French words.
It's like my
Nah.
kids. They're like, Dad, you're cussing. I'm like, that is not a cuss word. Like, Dad, you're cussing. I'm like, is every word a curse word now?
I'm not cussing. Go fuck yourself.
Explain it to me.
This is going straight up. Straight
Explain
up.
it to me.
guys.
What fucking word did I say wrong?
There you go.
22,000. What did we say? Omnius?
I got 22.33. No,
Yeah.
22.133. You said 27. It's about the same.
No, I was going for lower. I was going 22,043? 43, maybe.
Guys, you know, when you go to a restaurant, you get your food, but someone doesn't get food. You don't start eating until they get their food out of respect.
Sometimes. I mean, yeah, sometimes.
I haven't started trading. You guys, out of respect, should wait until I'm ready to trade.
Okay. All right.
As a
waited.
minimum.
I waited, but
minimum.
Woodchip told me to jump in right away, full port, diamond hands.
And he got it. He got the move right there. It's
go
like
for it.
easy money.
But
now it's too late. Don't go long. Definitely don't go long right now.
No, I was just
You're
joking.
at the top of the move of the morning open. Like
It's funny
gotta be
because my strategy
freaking
said to
idiot.
go long, and at the same time, you were like, long, long, long. Get in now. I'm like, oh, yeah, mine does stay long. Okay, let's do it. Worked out great. Should have held longer.
Okay. So did the markets open yet?
I think they're about to open in a few minutes.
No, Omnius, you shouldn't have held longer. You did good if you cashed out, you know? I mean, this is going to go long all day, right? But
Look at that. Strong move on the volume.
Jesus.
I was looking for a pullback.
Really?
But I guess we're not going to get that pullback, huh?
You might not. I mean, you can get one on the...
I want to see a pullback to 21,944 and then push again.
You can't even get a pullback on the 1 minute right now.
I mean, really, we're only up 0.6% on the day.
Hold on, the phone's ringing, guys. That's my order. I guess the Viagra's ready. The pharmacy's calling.
Is that those little blue pills?
Yeah?
That's awesome. I mean, we're only up 200 points, you know? It's nothing.
What's more important?
I remember like 5 years ago during COVID,
Yeah, right.
I saw the market go up 180 points and I was just new to trading. And that is not normal, but now it's the norm. And I told my friend that's like a 30-year trader, I was like, dude, the market, NASDAQ went up 180 fucking points, right? Like I said it like with conviction, like it was amazing. And now,
And your friend's like, yeah. And?
Well, no, I mean, he didn't, I mean, at the time it was very significant. I mean, 180 points in the NASDAQ was unheard of.
Okay.
Not unheard of. I'm sorry. Not unheard of, but at the time, pre-Trump, like last year, you know.
There was a lot of market breakers back then too. Did you see any of those? Where it pushed so far one direction to cut the market off?
What do you mean? Like a halt?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
On the NASDAQ? I'm not sure the NASDAQ got halted. I haven't seen that yet.
But it's Stuntz wrote.
Might have to Google it. Was it NASDAQ or was it just the QQQ?
Am I going to have to scream? Am I going to have to scream?
Don't scream.
Butter Stunts is looking for a reversal when it fills the previous gaps. I don't know what previous gaps he's talking about on the 30-minute. I see a gap at around the 22,000 level.
So wait a second. Wait a second. They're not the same guy, but they both type the same message at the same time?
Pretty much. What a coincidence.
10:09, 10:09. All right, come on, guys. Y'all see it?
Yeah,
that's cool. That could be retail sentiment.
Yeah, that's retail sentiment.
So wood chip, I don't know if the chat gives you the time, but on mine it gives you the time. So they're both at 10:09 a.m.
The chat?
Right, you can do an
Yeah,
add-on where the chat tells you what time the comment
Yeah,
was
I have
made.
that. I have that.
All right,
709. Mike
10.
stunts 709.
10:09.
And butter stunts.
So
Yeah.
wait, maybe you're somewhere different.
Oh, you know what? I'm
Is-
I'm West Coast. So
All
it's yeah. I don't know how to change that in the chat.
3 hours behind us? 7 o'clock there?
Yeah, I'm West Coast.
All right.
That's all right.
This could be the change up or it could be the fake out. Right? Looking
He's
pretty
like-
ugly on the 15-minute though. You got some repair to do.
Let me go see the 15.
Or not. It might not repair that at all. It might just go.
I was looking for
Okay, let's
the
take a look at the
pull back at
there we
21,944.
go. Another winner on the algo. By the way, the algo should be up 500.
2194.
21,944. I was looking for a pullback to there, but
Yeah.
this could work, I guess. Could see an entry signal.
That was the entry off the 944, I think. Oh no, sorry, 959. This is the breaker, or the sorry, order block. I'm still learning. I'm still learning.
How did the 2-minute breakout work today?
Worked great, but I missed it.
And the 15-minute, I didn't even think about it at all. I'm on the wrong fucking chart. I'm on a 30-minute chart.
I didn't.
Oh, there. Wow. The
Yeah, I didn't have
15-minute.
that.
I didn't even know you had a 30-minute chart.
Yeah, I changed from my 15-minute to a 30-minute. It's good enough. They both do the same purpose. I get to see the Asia session. I get to see the London session. That's all that matters. See what.
What do you mean you changed? You need all of them.
No. That's a rumor. That's a rumor. I see. That's how ICT sent you guys off in the wrong direction, so you don't flood the market with orders.
I know. Fuck
And he's
ICT,
placing
right?
orders.
I mean that shit's so bogus.
He had to.
You got all these people exposing them, and it's totally bogus.
He sent everybody on a wild goose chase.
The guy Rips was going off on him last week. Like, damn, dude, calm down.
Is he Clubhouse? Is that Rips is Clubhouse, right?
Yeah,
Yeah, I think so. Yeah.
Guys, it's entertainment. This is show business, eh?
The rich guy that
Okay.
okay.
Yeah, I've heard stuff about him too. You don't know what to
Compared
believe
to the
about
poor
any of them.
guy,
Who's the poor guy?
me
Oh,
and you.
yeah. Compared to those guys, yeah.
Compared to what they show, yeah.
Well, I don't believe shit
This
what they
is
show.
long all day, bro. You can grab along right now. Just ride it.
I did. ICT equals I can trade. Oh yeah,
Butter stunts.
butter
Nice.
stunts. Shit,
I
butter
love
stunts.
it.
Where are you, butter stunts?
I love the hate and the love for ICT. I love it all. I don't care.
Poor guy.
Are we still holding those shorts?
I'm not in a short. I'm in a long.
No, Butter Stunts and Mike Stunts are looking for shorts, or they were. I could make an argument for shorts. Not right now, but maybe in a minute. If we break the 21,958 in the next minute or two. Would be the break of an inside bar on the 5-minute chart.
Getting too serious.
What?
Nothing. I'm having fun. I'm all discombobulated, so I'm just having fun. And I forgot.
So you told us about the surprise birthday party, but how'd it go?
Yeah, well, great. Had a good time.
Did you get cake and ice cream?
Cake, no ice cream.
That's all that matters.
Did the staff gather around the table and sing happy birthday?
God, no, I hate that. Thank God.
Wait, were you at a restaurant?
Yeah.
Did they put a funny hat on you?
No, they didn't. They didn't.
Oh, come on. That's lame.
It wasn't a Mexican restaurant.
So lame.
Mike,
Yeah.
They put a funny hat on you? You didn't even bring us pictures?
No funny hat.
He had a funny hat.
It was probably a pizza parlor, I guess.
Greek.
Oh, okay. Right on.
Okay, there we go. Yeah, I'm working on my butter stunts one, and I forgot about it just now when he said ICT, I can't trade. I said, oh yeah, and I forgot. Yeah, I'm supposed to have an oh yeah. I got to get that taken care of. Okay, clicker, we have
Bummer.
a trade at 80. We have a trade at 80.
Get you another buy signal.
Let me see if I can
Long
get in.
all day, bros.
Long all day. Full port, diamond hands.
3.
Well, I think at least till 22,100.
Yeah.
Somewhere around there.
Got in. Let's go.
But we could use a couple pullbacks along the way. Fuck it, try it again.
I'll take it.
No, I think being it be a Monday, most people wouldn't expect it. It's gonna rip straight up.
Do it. Rip it. Go. Push it. Where's the push? Anybody got the push?
Right now is the push.
I'm in it. I'm saying push it. Let's go. I need 20 points.
Yeah, let's go.
Yeah, I might have to cut it.
Don't cut it. Just do lower size and
All
hold
right,
it.
I hit you with the push. Okay.
There we go.
What am I doing?
I'll take it there. 18. Do it.
Look at you guys making all the money without me.
I mean, literally both of us was like, jump in the trade, hold it, diamond hands all day.
Yeah, I got my stop at 21,999.
Nope, I'm out. What am I up so far? 20, 40, 46
On the
points
1
for the
minute,
day.
1 minute is a break of structure and a fair value gap at the same time. It stopped me out. But this 1 minute on the break, fair value gap forming. You could literally, I'm gonna do it. 1 micro.
What are you looking at, 1 minute?
Yeah. I'm buying this right now.
Whoa.
1 micro.
Whoa. Where's
Yeah.
my phone?
1 minute's too fast. I like the 2 minute.
It's not too fast. I mean, it's just, yeah. Okay, well.
I mean, not too fast. Too
15
much
second-
noise.
15 second is too fast, okay? But you can read 15 second also.
I don't know. I mean, I used a 30-second. It works great for entry signals.
Yeah, definitely.
I used a 30-second for entry, and I used the 2600 volume for entry.
Can we get paid? Can we
My
get
chart
funded
wants
right
to
now?
work yet. Chart still won't
Jesus.
work. Great streaming, isn't it? Half your stuff don't work.
All right. I entered at the top. $22.09 at the top.
That's where you entered?
Yeah, of course. I mean, why not?
because we just had to push up.
just to have fun. 34, I think, was the target. So
It's
there
still
it
pushing
is.
pretty strong.
There's your tap. There's your tap right there
A tap.
on the 1 minute. Yeah, the tap on the 1 minute. There it is.
Okay,
Alright,
what
so
did I miss?
Bunch of fucking noise.
You guys have to update me on everything I missed.
talking about the support at 1009 or 709 for you. 21,955 push up off
yeah,
of it.
just in that area. Yeah, thanks.
Oh, I see that. Yeah. No,
I thought that's what you were talking
709.
about. What are you talking about tapping?
The 1018 fair value gap that just tapped on the 1 minute.
Oh, okay. We had the fair value gap, and then it had the.
If this
support.
closes below it, then I'm done, right? I'm toast. But if it doesn't close it, then it just taps into it one more time.
So what happened to the Black Monday everybody was talking about yesterday?
What do you mean, Black Monday?
Black Monday was the day that the market dropped the most in a single day. They call it Black Monday. We actually had one. What was it, last year or the beginning of this year?
Okay.
Market like plummeted. Everybody was saying that today was going to be another Black Monday.
Wow.
Yeah, but you
everyone's
know
really
what the-
taking this stuff seriously.
The thing about like predictions, especially
Yeah,
across
that
the
was a long time ago,
weekend,
James.
you predict across a weekend, you can be right and you can be wrong, and you can celebrate that you're right because the 300-point gap down,
Yeah, right.
whatever, right? Like, who cares? Like, oh, I had a target down there and I didn't get the
1987.
trade.
Was it 300 points? Look at it now.
No, it was like 280, I think.
No, it was 308. Yeah,
Oh, okay.
308.
Well, I thought it was
There-
less than that. But
There was a big move when Russia invaded Ukraine in the markets, and it was volatile throughout the whole night. But that was an invasion. This isn't an invasion. A war didn't start. This was just
Well-
lobbing a bomb over a border one time. They do that all the time in the Middle East. Every weekend you hear
yeah,
another
but
bomb being
not
lobbed
the
over
U.S.
the border.
Not the U.S. taking in B2. I watched some of the footage. I was like, holy shit! The way the way our planes fly,
Yeah,
fucking crazy. And they put out divergence bombs to protect themselves. I was like, wow.
say that again.
Well, you got to watch some of the footage of the bombing that we did.
No, but
Did
what's
y'all
that
see what-
strategy with the virgin bombs? How did they do that?
It seemed like to me, and I don't know because I'm not technically advanced enough to know, but
Oh, you think
like-
maybe they have explosions somewhere else to confuse them, to send them looking over there for a minute?
you can see it on the video. They expel like 6
That's
to
what-
7
That's what Iran
bombs,
did
or
to
not
Israel.
bombs, but I don't know what they are, but they can't
Iran-
be hit. You can't hit those planes. Like
Yeah,
they're
Iran-
pretty much indefense,
Invisible.
indestructible or whatever.
invisible.
It's
Iran
pretty
did that to
amazing.
Israel. They used divergent bombs, and then they went after all those bombs, and they sent the real bombs.
Yeah,
It's a good strategy.
it is, because you never know. You don't know which are the real.
Yeah.
Yeah, but none of our. If you watch the videos, none of our planes got shot down, and there was tons of mortar being shot at them, and they were just like dancing around, like pretty much laughing. When you
It'd be
watch
hard.
it, it's like, oh my god.
It would be hard to hit one of those planes.
I mean,
Sure was.
Israel definitely does have the most sophisticated second to us because we supply them. But
They say theirs is better.
yeah, I mean, maybe, but they've gotten hit a few times.
Yeah. Like I said, they used those divergent bombs and went right through it.
Yeah.
You sure that video you saw wasn't one of Butterstunt's AI shorts?
Oh man, it was definitely AI. None of that's even happening. Come on, guys. We're not at war. Nothing's being bombed. It's AI.
We're in
Fucking
a
AI.
we're in a matrix. I keep saying that.
Simulation.
Simulation. Even Elon Musk came out and said we're definitely 100% in a simulation.
Well,
there's a lot of
he'd
theory
be
for
the
it.
one to say it. He'd be the one to say it.
Okay, I'm in a long at a terrible location. But
Me too. I'm long at 22,009.
01. I got 4 points better. I forgot to click. But the entry was at 01, so we should hit 08.
Did y'all ever see any of those videos where they talk about what kind of rockets Russia's got? Like, they got some crazy shit over there.
Yeah. If it's true.
They got ones like called like the Devil or Satan or some shit like that. The Satan rocket. I gotta look it up, make sure what it is. Yeah, something like that. But it like goes up into the atmosphere and comes down, dropping all kinds of nukes.
Yeah, they're fast. They're fast.
All right, I'm out. I'm bailing on this trade, guys. No more long.
They call it hyper ballistic or hyper something. Hypersonic.
Yeah, but that's a different one. The one I was talking about is a nuke. It's actually, I think it's like 12 nukes in one. Like it like rains down nukes. Then they got the hypersonic missiles. Then they got one called the Poseidon missile that creates a tsunami.
Wow. Honestly, I don't see Russia or China or any of the big countries using nukes. Aiming for 44, take profit. To the downside or to the upside?
I mean, nobody wants to go with war. Go to war with
any half intelligent guy knows you're destroying the planet. That's all you're doing. So unless you're fucked up in the head, like, you know, if Russia nukes US, forget it. It's all out nuclear war. There's not going to be anything left. There'll be 100 people left on the planet living under the ground.
I'll probably still be alive because I'm in California.
Unless some leader decides that's a good idea.
One guy said yesterday that Russia's got enough nukes to kill the entire U.S. 50 times over.
Yeah, of course.
That's fucking crazy. We have enough nukes to kill Russia 50 times over. Like, that's crazy shit. Here I am trying to get 20 points on the NASDAQ and they want to nuke the whole world.
Yeah, for real.
Okay, 20 seconds away from initial balance. We're very close to the initial balance high.
Yeah, wait for it. Got to retest that bottom wick. I'm 1 minute. Maybe not. Jesus. Told you. Up all day. It's only been an hour. But I'd be careful. I wouldn't take a long right now. Of course,
are we going to see a big plunge today to take a bunch of people out and then shoot right back up? That's my question.
Yeah, maybe. For sure. I mean,
drop 100 points, take everybody out, and go right back up.
21,600, 615, somewhere in there.
Maybe go back and test the Globex Open, 21,871.
Yeah, exactly. Good on you, Globex Open. Listen to this guy.
What do you call it? Mike said the same thing. What do you call it?
No, that's what I call it.
Mike's like, Globex Open, what is that?
Not many people know what it's called.
Like, what?
Yeah.
What do you call
That's
it?
Cool.
You wouldn't call it New York Open because that's 9:30.
Well, it's not Asia Open.
I don't even know when Asia Open is. So
Well, then bad on you because it's 8 p.m.
is it 8 p.m.?
Yeah.
It's at PM. We've confirmed it.
I have to get with ChatGPT to tell me these things.
Yeah, but you knew Globex open, so
I don't
that's
trade
pretty
it.
good.
I don't trade after the market, so I don't worry too much about all that.
Yeah, I usually wait on every session 15 to 30 minutes before I take a trade, but that's not always a hard, fast rule. But
All I know is that Globex Open, you see a lot of chop. Even if you go back and look at the line now, there was a bunch of chop around it. Pushes back up to it, chops around it, pushes down, comes back up, chops around it, and then pushes up.
Mike, you said you're aiming for 44 take profit. I didn't know. That's 944. Are you short, or is that the 22,044? Meaning you're long? Because I think when you said it at 1028, we were right at the 22,000 mark, pretty much.
could be second leg.
What was the 1987 James
Short.
G?
Oh, Black Monday, I think he was saying.
Okay.
Oh, we almost took it.
Okay, let's get up to 94 bid.
Yeah, 22,035.
Oh, you did, yeah. Okay. Well, I'm troubleshooting. I'm having a lot of problems with everything here, Al. My platform is screwing up. Everything is screwing up. I can't even connect to my account in certain places. I'm gonna have to work and fix on that.
Oh, damn! I got stopped out. I moved my stop too tight.
So yeah, he's right. Black Monday was October 19th, 1987.
Number 19. Yeah, that's it.
The Dow Jones plummeted 508 points, a 22.6% loss in a single day. That's crazy.
Was that the cancel all orders video, Mike? It could have been. How many years ago was that?
1987. I didn't have it.
Oh no, it wasn't. Sorry, my bad.
I think that was probably during COVID. I don't know.
No.
No, it was before it. It was.
What?
I think it was probably the housing or bank, whatever you want to call it, because it was two-stage.
That was 2008.
Yeah,
That was also
I
pretty much
think
about
that's
Monday,
when it. I think that's when that video was.
Yeah. For the cancel our orders. Yeah. the
Yeah,
2008
I think
crisis,
so.
yeah.
I think it was
Yeah.
hilarious. That guy. Are we on? Why is it not updating? So funny.
What do we got for range? 14 points on the 1 minute candles.
Oh, I did get a
Good.
buy signal.
I wonder where that guy is now. The cancel all orders guy.
I already died.
What y'all thinking
I
long?
mean,
Y'all taking longs here?
Yeah,
he probably got
well,
roasted. Yeah, I'm long.
Not doing anything good with it. I'm hoping we break the initial balance.
Yeah, I'm not
You have to
liking
be
the,
kind of careful because of the
not
15
liking the back
minute.
and forth.
15 minute didn't tap yet.
I think I'm gonna sit this one out.
All
right, I'll be back in a minute.
Okay. Bladder problems, just in case anybody's curious.
Yeah, colonoscopy, whatever else you can share. Thanks.
Short. Jay, everybody's short. I'm long. It's a battle. It's a battle of wits. Let's see what happens. I got a 50% chance that we make it to 22,000. Not very spectacular.
22%?
No, 50% that we get to 22,000.
Oh.
So we're pretty much close to getting stopped out on that kind of a trade. 80. If you hit 80, it's over.
It's gonna dump now. Sorry.
If 80 holds. 80's got to hold. Come on. I don't know. There we go. Booyah, I got to get out at 81.75. Come on, take me out. Okay, just
this should dump pretty hard.
This account is making my life very difficult. This account. Trading it a little more aggressively, but I'm really staying disciplined and taking only legitimate trades. But wow, it just does not let me gain any traction. It's okay. It'll release. One day, soon, I'll hit the big one.
Nope, it's not gonna dump.
You spoke to the banker?
Yeah, pretty much. 52,300.
Antonio, yeah, it's Antonio. Says he calls the banker. Wow, we're pretty sideways here now for quite a while. This little range here. Maybe it would be wise to take a trade only after we get out of that little range. Wouldn't be a bad idea. I heard that.
You got the 1 minute inversion right now. Not that anyone cares.
I don't even see one on the 1 minute.
Yeah, it's at 10:27.
Oh, there. Okay.
See all the bodies? You see all the bodies closing?
That sounds too complicated for me.
You're trying to go against the major trend, which is a no-no.
All right, talk us through the 1 minute inversion.
Yeah, I don't see it. I still don't see it.
10:27 candle. 10:27.
Bearish or bullish fair value gap? Let's start with that.
Bearish.
That'd be a bearish. Draw it out.
So we didn't invert it yet?
No.
Yeah, we did. Well,
Where? No, you got to close above it.
Yeah, close above.
no, that's not. No, I'm not. So okay. When I say inversion, I just mean that it rejected it and it's going down. I'm not saying. I don't care about bearish or bullish. I just care about the gap itself.
Yeah, no. Everyone uses the terminology for an inverted fair value gap is when you close above it and you inverted it. And now we're.
You're right.
Don't matter if it's above or below. It breaks through it.
So I guess this would be respecting it. Sorry.
That's it. Yeah, respecting it, reversed off it.
Rejection.
Rejected. Rejection. I like that word, rejection.
I don't like that. I like to stay positive.
Okay. So the bearish fair value gap was accepted.
Yeah.
That's positive.
Yeah.
It was accepted.
Yeah. There you go. It was accepted below 50%.
It's holding. That's a good way to say it also.
It is holding.
So I guess I picked a pretty good trade to stay out of, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, the go
like how they got stopped out.
Is suicide.
No, I'm talking about the long. I had a long signal.
Oh no, you definitely should go long. It's a long day. You go smallest size and the widest stop and make like $400.
Little doggy. I need more coffee.
Yeah, I was just watching that 15 minute. It looked like the 15 minute was gonna pull back down, but Doesn't have to. It can just keep going. Probably will, so no one can get in, you know? All the streamers are going to be like, I just need one pullback to get in.
Break this gap. Might try to push up again.
Yep.
Got IB high at 2011.
There we go. Oh, nope, 94 didn't sink in. '94's got a hold. You know what, guys? I'm gonna go get my coffee. Let's break out of this range. Let's break out of the initial balance high. Let's do something in the meantime. I'll be back soon.
All right, pour me a cup too. He's only 1,000 miles away.
Oh, where are you at?
Florida.
What state? Oh, cool.
So I guess I'm the bottom of the continent. You're the east side of the continent, and he's the north.
I'm the west side. Yeah, I'm the west side.
Okay, west side, never mind. So we got 3 points on the continent.
Yeah, and Joker's right up there by him, kind of.
I think Joker said New York, didn't he?
Yeah, he's a little bit northern New York, maybe. I'm not sure, but
I don't look at the map enough to even know where all that's at.
you got Alpine Trader. He's at I'm sorry, Pine Tree. Pine Tree is in Maine, and Alpine is in Jersey, I think.
It's crazy you meet people from all over the world.
It is. It's amazing. Like,
I've talked to a few people from way other side of the world. Was it Africa? One guy from South Africa. Another guy from India.
yeah, and our kids will just be like, "That's normal," you know. I talk to people all the time in China or whatever.
Yeah, right.
maybe not China, but
Yeah, I haven't spoken to anybody from China yet.
no, I don't. Yeah, I'm not sure about that. All right, let's push. If Mike was here, he could put up the moniker push. Push.
He did something with his camera again. Well,
I'm just trying to pass this eval.
I thought you passed it already.
No. I'm very close.
Looks like we're stalling, getting close to 11. Break that gap. That's positive.
10 o'clock should do it. Oh,
There we go. There's
okay. Keep the stop in. I want to see that 22,034. Oh, I got stopped. Okay.
I think if we can hold above the initial balance, we can go up 2280.
That could have been it. That's probably it, I think.
Yeah, pushed up above it, but couldn't stay above it. So we might need another pullback. Or it might just shoot up. Everybody looking for a pullback.
Yep.
Take them all out and just skyrocket.
I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna stay flat. Stay away from wicks.
Yeah, that's what always gets me.
But this was a long old day.
No, there's not really that many wicks today. Not on the 2 minute. No, got the 1 minute. Yeah, I guess the 1 minute.
Yeah, it's just the current 1 minute opposing wicks, but it still looks bullish. It closed above the prior high, internal high. Well, I guess you can't call that an internal high, but all the more reason to be cautious.
I don't know. We could try for Friday's high. I'll be back at the
Definitely.
22,133. Well, that's what I got anyway.
But the Monday morning rush, we just got it. So pretty much have to wait like 30 minutes for this to pan out to see which way it wants to go.
Yeah, and it normally starts slowing down around 11.
I mean, you can get lucky right now going short, but I'm not going to do it.
No, I wouldn't want to short it. I mean, I can make a few cases for a short, but nah.
This is a 3,000 point drop right now.
I mean, it could be.
This is your Black Monday.
So I said, what, 25%? So what would it need to be but that was a Dow Jones. I don't know. What would the NASDAQ need for 25%? What would the equivalent be? Zoom out.
On the highs?
No, with Black Monday. So that would be
You're saying 25% drop or no?
That's what Black Monday was, right? I said it earlier.
I don't know what the percentage was, but
yeah, it was somewhere around 25%. So right now, if we had a similar thing, that would be like going down to 16,400. That would be fucking crazy.
that would be crazy.
We had something during COVID. It dropped real bad, real fast.
Yeah.
Let's see, what's the biggest day during COVID?
What a shame. What a shame, too, because you could have bought anything. And I was talking to my friends about it. I was like, maybe we should just buy NVIDIA. Seriously, NVIDIA was like at 200 before the split.
Yeah, right.
And
yeah, I thought about that one too.
jeez.
Because I got NVIDIA product, so I was like, let me get in the video. And I was like, well, I'll wait.
Yeah, but to be completely honest, that was coupled with maybe we should buy Peloton.
Yeah.
During right at the beginning of COVID.
I never got on the Peloton train.
Yeah.
So it looks like during COVID, we had 2 days that were 12%. And we thought how bad that was. Imagine double that.
Yeah, there's a lot of doomsayers out there talking about it's gonna drop so hard. It could. And when it does, then they'll be right and they'll be like, I told you so.
Yeah, right.
Like to 7 months later or whatever.
Thing is,
Okay.
nobody can predict any of that stuff. Because what happens is it drops and it just keeps taking out everybody's stops and creates the
Yeah.
snowball effect. We did have an up day of almost 16% April this year.
Yeah.
It's the biggest days I see. I remember I used to trade the leveraged QQQ, the TQQQ. And I'd be
Yeah, I
like,
used to do that.
yeah,
Yeah.
I'd be like, it's up 6%. It can't go no higher. Let's short it.
I mean, you gotta. It's tough because
That's the
everyone.
beginner
I've done it.
mentality.
Yeah, well, yeah, retail for sure. It can't go any higher. It has
Yeah.
to reverse right now.
We're down 8%. It's a great time to buy. It can't go no lower. Like buy it and lose a bunch of money.
If it was that easy, everyone would do it. So, and everyone has done it.
Well, there used to be a bunch of streamers that traded like that. I don't know if you've seen any of those guys.
Probably. I mean, I've seen a lot of.
That was years ago, though. That was back around the pandemic.
Oh no, I didn't watch streamers back then. I was trading stocks, penny stocks.
That's what I was trading back then, was stocks. Skeletor, how you doing today? Chocolate salty balls. Monday morning.
Yeah, Monday morning, exactly.
I'm good. I'm up, what'd I say, 46 points? Yeah, up 46 points on the day. How about you? What's the good trades for today, Skeletor? What do you think right now? We're going to push up, break initial balance, go higher, or we got to go lower? I don't know. We do have a divergence also with the RSI. And we had what we call it, SMT.
Hey Omnius, how do I find your channel? Omnius.
Give me a second. Oh, I can't type it into his chat. Just put in Omnius trades.
Trades. Yeah, I just did that. I was trying to find you. Oh, there you go. Subscribe. Oh, there you go. Nice graphic. I like that bull and bear.
Yeah, the bull and bear fight. You don't hear people talk about that much anymore. Skeletor in profit 450 on PA. Awesome, man. That's a good day.
This could be a good short, but I'm not going to take it. I'm not going to do it.
Yeah, I'm looking to see if it comes back to the 21,944. Then if we break that, then I might actually be bearish. Skeletor, you're in 2 meetings and trading and making $450 on the day. Get it, man. That's what you call hustling right there.
All right, I found you.
Awesome.
So how long have you been trading?
Well, I've been trading off and on probably since what, 2019? I was trading stocks back then.
Yeah. This is a good short. Holy moly.
Then I found futures. I'm like, hey, this is way easier. I don't have to wake up and try to figure out what to trade. I just show up and buy and sell.
Yeah.
I'm back, I think. Hold on, gotta forget my camera.
You think you're back?
I think I'm back.
This is gonna dump. This should dump. Come on, baby. Get me funded.
Looking a little dumpy.
Trying to get funded right here. 970 entry, 961 stop.
I heard Mike.
Don't come back.
There he is.
He's on mute.
I'm
All
here.
right, stop.
I heard him.
100 bucks.
I'm here. Still playing with settings.
There he is.
Yeah.
Oh, there's the retest. 1 minute.
Well,
go
we
short here.
broke through the IB and rejected, eh? Pretty hard.
Mike
It's
Skeletor
good.
said he's in 2 meetings and made $450 on his PA today.
Holy shit.
I said, that's how you hustle right there.
10 micros.
Who's 10 micros? You?
No, your buddy, Skeletor.
Oh, okay. Did he say
Good
10
job, buddy,
micros?
son. See you later.
I don't know. I'm just saying he probably is
Oh.
in big size to make that much while being in meetings and just.
I'm in 1 mini. I think Skeletor trades 1 mini.
Yeah, there you go. I said 10 micros. Whoa. Look at Mike. He knows all the peoples. This is a good tap to go down. Gonna have to sweat it for a bit.
Which, Chip, I don't know if you've seen on my stream, but Skeletor said, hey.
Oh yeah, I see that.
All right.
Oh, cool.
Okay, let's see if we can get into a short. Am I late? Am I late to the party?
Might be early for the short.
No. You're not. You're not late.
I need to see it break the 21,944 before I'm thinking short.
825.
It is looking dumpy, though.
Looking like Humpty Dumpty.
Next, we'll insert big boner candle.
It's
Take everybody out.
Talking about big boner candle, it's time to get these babies out.
Your Chinese balls?
Oh, yes.
That's kind of, it's a little weird.
It's a little
Skeletor.
weird.
Skeletor was talking about those chocolate salty balls.
Was he really? Hey, I didn't get a copyright thing on that, even though the song played. I checked.
I thought you turned the sound off.
No, it played. I didn't catch it.
You better watch out. You might become FSP.
Why was he do?
He got banned from YouTube.
Huh?
FSP?
Yeah, he got banned from YouTube. All his videos are gone.
When did that happen?
Last week.
yeah. But he's still on. I thought he just moved them to a private channel for members only.
Oh, I don't know about that, but I mean, maybe he said that to save face, but I heard, and everybody was saying that he got banned. He even said himself, I think on Twitter, that he got banned from YouTube.
Why would he have gotten banned?
Well, he was asking people to comment on old videos to boost the likes. In his, you know, like in his world, he was like, what can I do? I'm gonna do a giveaway. Maybe I'll just have them all like all the videos, like the old videos, to boost them for my channel.
But here's the
And
thing. You're allowed to do
ask
that.
for likes. We all ask for likes. Every
YouTube-
video
not
says,
not no, not for
YouTube tells you
monetary
to do that.
purposes.
Yeah,
He was
YouTube
doing it
tells
for
you.
monetary.
What they tell you not to do, and they will ban you, is if you're doing a like for like, or fake likes, or fake views.
Well, I think a like for money is more stronger than a like for a like.
well, what do you mean a like for money? He was saying, give me a like and I'll send you $1.
No, he was saying like this old video and get entered on my giveaway.
Ah,
And
okay.
I don't believe that. Because they kind of tell you to do stuff like that.
And besides that, you don't even have to do that. He's got enough people.
It could, yeah, I mean, rightly so. It could be a PW tactic just to get everyone talking about it.
I would probably say that he was
That's it. He put all his.
he was
videos on
buying
hard drive.
views. I bet he was buying views and likes, and they caught him.
Or he put all his videos on a backup, and then he's gonna magically make them all reappear.
Because you can go on websites and they're like, pay this much money and you'll get this many likes or this many views. And YouTube tells you that if you do that, they'll ban you from YouTube.
Yeah,
Especially if you're monetized.
Well, he's gone.
Well, I'm doing it the slow way. At this rate, at the rate of growth, I figured I should be up to 100 viewers by the year 2035.
That's what I'm looking at.
2035.
We're getting a push, huh?
You know
Yeah.
what? It's okay. I always say, if you like doing it, which I do, I love it, then it's no big deal. Shit, I streamed, like you said last time, I streamed 4 times on Friday. And then on Saturday, I missed it. I wanted to get back to streaming. Either a back test or something. I don't know. I like it. Who would have figured? Who would have thunk?
It's interesting, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Then once you stream for a bit, you start trading by yourself and you're like, where's everybody at? Then you start thinking, wow, I really am talking to myself now. Let's go ahead and turn the stream on.
Taking out everyone's stop losses. Maybe. I would think it might more on the downside, to be honest with you.
Yeah, they convinced everybody's short. Now they're taking them all out. Then everybody's switching long. They're going to take all them out.
I would think the 11 o'clock was the fake out. The 11 o'clock low. But who knows? Who knows? I don't guess. I don't have to guess. I don't have to predict.
Nope. Follow a strategy and I do what it tells me to. And if I'm a good boy, I might make some money.
I wanted to Skeletor, but we went. It was my birthday. It was my birthday weekend. I don't know. We went out for supper on Saturday. Then the family came over yesterday. So no, just took it easy. Didn't stream yesterday. I only got down to my computer around 9 o'clock, I think, to see what happened. See the open, or what happened at the open.
I guess Joker's saying FSP's back on. They took
Well,
down
he's
all
never
his
stopped
videos.
trading. He's never stopped streaming. I never saw him stop streaming. I click almost every day on his stream, and I never got an off the air message.
I don't know. I don't really follow him. I see his stream every now and then. I'll click on it for a few minutes.
Yeah, he's live. Upcoming. Oh, he's live now.
Maybe he got it resolved. I don't even have them in my subscribers anymore. What the hell?
Well, he doesn't have one live video, so that leaves me to believe he's moving them over into a playlist that's for subscribers or members.
Some people do that so that they're not promoting the live videos. Because a lot of times people see the live videos, they don't want to watch it. 4-hour video.
Yeah, no, of course. It's nauseating. Who the hell would want to...
That way your channel's promoting your 3-minute videos and not your 5-hour video. Which
I
people
watch
are more
those
like
videos. I'm the hell that watches those videos.
5-hour videos.
Oh,
yeah. No problem.
For me, my upward limit is
the TJR video was 5 hours.
20 minutes. I can make it through 20 minutes. Okay, no, if he moved them to members only, I don't know if you guys can see here.
No, I got his channel. He is live right now. So
Yeah, no, but I'm just saying his live videos. See, I'm in Trades by Matt. He moves his videos to members only, but I still see them in the live tab. So those videos are gone. Because
right.
If you moved it to members only, you would still see it. Like here, I'm in the live tab right now. I think you guys can see that. Let me just see. I just moved it. Where is it? Yeah, there you can see I'm in the live tab, and you see members only, but it's in the live tab. So they should still be there, even if he made it members only.
Right, but they're not.
Well, you can also put it in a playlist.
Yeah, he doesn't have that either. I looked, but he doesn't have that. I checked his playlist when he got banned. I was like, well, maybe he moved them there.
961?
Actually, I think I got mine in a playlist. I don't know.
Have a nice day, Mike. I hope to see you tomorrow.
Could be a good long. Just saying. You got to risk 50 points, though.
Close my browser.
So if your video is unlisted or private, it might not be in the live section.
Yeah, no, it wouldn't. You would see it, but other people wouldn't.
Yeah, but yeah, he's not all of a sudden doing that, though. Obviously, something happened.
Well, he talks a lot about Jesus.
Yeah, I was just gonna say, I mean, he's a praying man. He's not gonna try to manipulate and do weird things.
Not like I've ever seen that before.
I was gonna say maybe Jesus came down and said, "You're not a believer. You're not a real believer."
Just, I don't know. I'm just saying, based on his character and how consistent he's been, I doubt that he's doing any kind of manipulation. Because that's karma in the Christian world. Like, God's going to turn his chair around and put his feet up on the desk, and you're not going to get any more favor if you...
You're not going to get any more Christmas presents.
Yeah, pretty much. I mean, that's kind of the myth, but yeah, but a lot of people believe that. And that's what keeps them in religion, which is the practice of doing something that makes you feel better, which is so stupid.
If you don't believe it, then you're not going to believe that either.
Yeah, but the practice, the whole idea that you can do something that'll make you better with God is a fallacy. Because if you believe in God, you believe in a crazy, crazy thing that is like, supernatural or whatever, right? And if you believe in that, then why would you think that just because you do a couple things really good, that would make you okay? Like, it doesn't make any sense. Doesn't make any sense.
Well, the problem there is a lot of scam artists like to talk about God a lot because it puts them in a better light to other people. Like, I wouldn't
True.
scam you.
Yeah.
I wouldn't scam you. I'm a Christian. You can trust me.
Like George Michael would say.
I mean,
Yeah, but those people are going to hell. I mean, those people are definitely going to hell.
you don't put your trust in people because of what religion they are. You put trust in people because you trust them, you know?
Yeah, but again, religion is just the practice. If you look at all religions, it's all the practice of whatever you can do to make yourself better. And to me, that makes no sense. If you truly believed in a supernatural power that was bigger than yourself, you would understand that there's nothing you can do to make yourself better because they're greater than you. So why would you do some ritual, you know, to make yourself better?
Sense. No, I'm sorry, I cut you up. That's an invalid argument.
Yeah, I agree with Mike.
There's nothing you can do that make yourself better. Yeah, there's a lot of things you can do to make yourself
well,
better.
Yeah, physically.
Not better than the supernatural power, but you can improve yourself.
Yeah, but I'm saying religion is the practice of people doing things to make themselves feel better. That's religion.
So first off, I'd have to disagree with that definition of religion also.
Me too. They do it for other people. It's a giving. It's a selfless
religion. Your religion is your strongly held beliefs. It don't matter what your beliefs are. That's your religion. And
but
so a lot of people say they don't have a religion. I'm like, well, if you don't have a religion and you truly believe that, then that's your religion. So it's kind of a circular argument.
Man,
isn't it kind of? But
all religion is good. Organized religion is bad because it's been corrupted.
But isn't it kind of weird that all people from all countries do have a sense of wanting to connect to a higher power?
No, it's hope. It's all hope. It's when you're dying. And you don't want to be hopeless.
It's not when you're dying because kids
when you're dying and you're old, you don't want to be hopeless. That's your last hope that there's some power that's gonna save you. That's when
That is actually my biggest argument for faith is that when people are about to die, they say, "Oh God," and how many times have you guys said this?
Whenever you're
God,
in trouble,
if you just help me right now, if there is a God, if you just help me right now, I promise X, Y, and Z, right?
Because you got nothing else to count on. So I'm not saying that's what all religion is.
But why?
That's a big driver of it.
My point is, why do all people go to that when right before they die?
There's nothing else. What are you going to hope for? A supreme garbage can to help you out?
I mean,
you got to hope for something.
Well, even
why would
if
you
have a
assume
supreme garbage can, that would still be your God, right?
Why would you assume that there would be some external supernatural force that would help you?
We don't assume. We hope. Remember what I said? It gives you hope.
Well,
a man without hope is lost.
Well, let me answer your question. Say you're falling down and somebody walks by and you're like, "Hey, man, will you help me?" Wouldn't that be the same argument? You're asking an external force to help you.
You can see that. You can see that person.
I want to help you, but you're going to sue me.
Well, then you go back. Then you go back to what you can see and what is really seeing argument. We all see different.
If a tree falls in the woods,
see, you know what I mean? I asked that one the other day, right?
And no one's around to catch you, are you going to ask for someone to help you?
Well, that depends. I would probably ask
falling down
to not fall so hard.
No person is around. I mean, are you going to ask someone to help you when no one's around?
Maybe. I don't know.
Yeah.
I know that.
You're just going to do it a lot louder.
Sometimes I got to tell myself stuff. I'm like, come on, you fell down. You got to get up now. What's the difference?
Well, that's just your own godlike personality to be God, to be in control.
Apparently, you think you're God.
Yeah, well, I mean, exactly.
Yes.
Well, I think my view of God would be a little bit different.
Oh my God! And look what Nightbot comes at. You should always fight for a good entry price That's one of the few things that really matter. Dash the great Omnius. Look, it's all in capital letters even. I should have wrote the great Omnius. Omnius the great.
But that was just a coincidence, right?
It was, because it's on a timer. It really was. God did it.
Yeah.
Religions are funny.
Well, that was his quote. I had to give him credit for it. I don't want to be labeled a stealer.
Uh-oh.
You stole my quote. No, I didn't. I'm just borrowing it, and I gave you credit. It's all good. It's all for fun. People should just relax. Take things a lot less serious. That's what I teach.
Yeah.
I try to teach that to my kids. Stop worrying about everything.
Stop the bombing.
I tell my kids it's all a story. Just pick which story you like better.
Oh, yeah. That's the sad thing also.
Nice. How many kids do you have?
I got 2.
Oh, cool.
10-year-old and a 5-year-old. Well, actually, the 5-year-old's going to be 6 in about a week or 2.
Right on. I got a 4-year-old.
Girl or boy?
Girl?
The girls are a little different. I got 1 boy and 1 girl.
Yeah.
Which one's
quieter.
older?
The
Boys are full of energy.
That's good.
Is that how it is at you? The boy runs around all day long making noise, playing, and the girl sits quiet?
Oh, God. Boys like doing backflips off the couch and uses the couch for a trampoline and running through the house at 100 miles per hour.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's my daughter.
The girls, they get their burst of energy, too. The girls,
Yeah, she's a lot like me. She's Daredevil.
The boys are either happy or mad, right? You pick one, like the market, we're either going up or down, right? The girls are more like the NASDAQ. They're like happy 1 second, mad next second. You're like, fuck, I thought you was just happy. And then next thing you know, they're mad and upset with you, and then you turn around, they're trying to give you hugs and, hey, Dad, I love you. I'm like, what the fuck? Just told me to piss off. Sometimes I tell people that women are bipolar from birth. Figured that out when I had a daughter.
It's funny.
They're great, though. They make life interesting for sure.
Yeah, so much joy all the time. Like everything's a new discovery. Hey, Dad, come look at this.
Yeah.
And you're like, what? What is it? And you're like, look, there's a little thing right here on the floor. And you're like, okay.
I'll tell the girl to pick up the living room or something. She likes to bring toys out and play with them. A whole bunch of dolls and dresses and all kinds of shit.
Oh,
so
yeah.
Pick that stuff up. So she'll go pick it up. I come back 10 minutes later, there's more than what it was before. Like, what happened?
Yeah.
I told you to pick up. Like, I did. Like, then what happened?
Yeah.
I brought it all back out.
Crazy. Yep. Yeah, my daughter likes to play kitchen, and she'll bring out all of her supplies into the other room.
Every last one.
Not where her kitchen is, but she'll bring it all out. I'm making pies right now. What kind of pie do you want?
Mm-hmm.
I'm like, wait, you don't need all this stuff. You have the pizza parlor out. You've got all these different things out, and you're talking about pies. Put some of that away.
What's he saying? Okay.
Okay, am I? I'm on.
He must be long.
No, I'm on my phone.
Is that okay long or okay short?
Okay, no, it's okay.
Was that a trade signal?
Everything is okay.
Oh, the short's working. Huh. I think that was a short.
Nah. looking for long. Looking for long in all the right places. My daughter wants to go swimming. No, it's good. There's no chemicals and there's no worms. We had worms in the pool this year. Not worms. You know, we had larvae. We never had this before. Mosquito larvae. They're like little worms. Oh my God, we must have had a couple 100,000 in them. Wow. We committed a mass murder because then we loaded it up with chlorine and now they're all gone. And I'm sure they didn't fly away.
I think my weekend was a full port with no stop loss type of weekend.
Really?
Yeah. So, my wife's brother said that he'd give her like some couch and love seat and stuff, so she wanted to go get it. He lives about an hour away. And we get about halfway, stop at the store, and like got smoke coming out from the tire. I'm like, what the hell is going on? And decided to stop by the shop, and the brakes started going out.
Oh, shit.
I'm driving, got two girls in the car, trailer in the back, brakes ain't really working. So I'm like, all right, well, I don't want to risk it. Let's go to the shop, have them check it out. They're like, well, your calipers are messed up. You need calipers. If you're going to do that, you might as well do the brakes, the rotors, all that shit.
Yeah.
I'm like,
all four or just two wheels?
They just did the two.
Okay, how much?
$1,000.
No way.
Yep.
Mm-hmm.
Shit, I thought I got ricked off. I paid $650 Canadian.
My brother's a mechanic.
He hit a round spot, didn't he? $1,000.
So you paid $1,400 Canadian for that?
Whatever the conversion is.
Whatever.
That's $1,400. I paid $650. That's like 2.5 times.
So we got to sit at the shop for like 5 hours waiting for them to do that because they got to work you in to be able to do it. They're like, we don't really have a spot, but we don't really want you driving with no brakes with kids in the car, so we're going to work you in. So they do it.
Your brakes up, so you have to do it.
Yeah, they're definitely going to work you in.
Yeah, right?
Jesus.
So then we wait like 5 hours for them to do the brakes. And then it was like 5 o'clock when they're giving me the vehicle back and they're closing. So the guy's like, I just got to bleed the brakes and you're done. I'm like, okay, great. Let's get out of here. And the guy like gives me the vehicle and runs off and they're shutting all the doors and leaving. And he's like,
didn't bleed the brakes.
Your brakes are a little soft, but that's just how that vehicle is. And it was a young guy too. I'm like, no, it's not. That's a truck, man. It's not supposed to have soft brakes. He's like, oh, it's okay. Yeah. I get driving down the road, fucking brakes don't work.
Jesus Christ.
Yeah. Well, he probably didn't bleed him.
He didn't bleed
correctly.
him. Yeah. So then I had to drive what would have been an hour drive turned into about 2 hour drive home in the truck with a trailer and two kids in the back with no brakes.
Yeah. That's nuts.
So everyone's like, well, stay away from the interstate. I'm like, nah, I'm going to take the interstate. Hopefully they go faster than I do. I think I had about 1/10 the stopping power.
Wow.
Yeah.
Like slam on the brakes. It takes like 20 seconds to stop.
So now what are you going to do? You just go, you go back?
They got another shop. Not really in my town, but a little bit away. I'm going to take it there. But still ain't got no brakes.
Yep, and now you got to lose more of your own time.
Right.
Oh, damn, that just happened? That's crazy.
Saturday, yeah.
Wow.
I'd do it for you, but you never invited me down to Florida yet, so I guess you got to do it.
I guess. My brother's like, just crawl under the truck and bleed the brakes yourself. My fat ass can't get under there. Come on, man.
And if it's good, you'd know what to do.
Well, I mean, it's not that hard. You just you got to loosen it up, have somebody pump the brakes, and then tighten it back up.
I'd have to YouTube it.
I mean, it's super easy at a shop, but when you're on the side of the road with not the proper tools, it's probably not that easy.
Yeah, but he was in a hurry.
So,
he was in a hurry to close his shop.
Yeah, right. Put my family at risk because you're 5 minutes late.
Yeah, definitely. I mean, that's something to be pissed about for sure. Not having brakes. Come on.
Yeah, right. Especially carrying a trailer with furniture on it.
Hmm. Are you
Yeah.
sure you're from Florida, bro? Come on.
Are you telling us the truth?
He's not from Florida. He can't have all this knowledge and be born and raised in Florida. Come on, tell us the truth.
That's Florida shit right there. Y'all need to go look up Florida Man.
Where are you at?
You have
in
a strong
Jupiter?
Southern accent.
Yeah.
Yeah. You're from Louisiana.
No, he's more west than that, I think.
Really?
Yeah, I'd peg him for let me try to guess here. Maybe even into Texas, North Texas or something.
I don't think I've ever been to Texas.
Oh, but damn. He's protecting his identity.
Not like I would use a fake name on stream or anything.
So you don't want to say where you were born, where you grew up?
I was born and raised Florida.
Really?
Yep. Still live there.
Where are you in terms of Jupiter, Florida?
Jupiter? Now you asked me to bring my map back out. I think Jupiter is like way south.
Well, it's on the west side. It's like the bay side, kind of.
Hold on, let me get my map. I didn't know there was going to be a test. Hell is my map?
My friend grew up there, so I was just curious.
Jupiter. I know I've been there before, but I can't remember. I think that's down south. What the fuck is Jupiter?
Are we gonna go long right now? Don't be scared. Don't be scared.
Okay, I'm back.
Mike's taking the long. I love it. I love it.
Oh no,
You took it before I even said it.
He did say okay. He did say okay.
Short.
Oh, sorry. I'm looking at FSP. He's
Excuse
losing.
me.
Too.
Excuse me. I said short.
Full port. Full port short.
Oh, maybe I'm down $900 on this unlucky account again.
Today?
Every day I find myself in a toilet with this account. Thing is, it's the end of the day and there's not much to go for, so I'm gonna have to really swing a heavy bat
End of the day for you.
if I want to recover. Yeah, my daughter wants to go swimming. My wife wants to go for an ice cap. An ice cap, that's like a slush coffee.
Oh, okay. Ice cap? That's what you call it?
Ice cap. Well, ice cappuccino.
Yeah. All right.
Is that what they say in Canada?
Yeah.
I always knew them Canadian people were a little weird.
A little different.
Yeah. They shake their hand a little different.
Okay, I made some back. I just made like $300.
Wow, good on you.
Yeah. I'm still down 600 though.
What size account?
50K. I'm not doing any of the other accounts anymore. Always 50Ks.
Wow.
50Ks
That's
are
that on a 50K. That's a huge win.
Yeah, and so is the drawdown huge when you're down 900.
Yeah. That's why I was curious.
Yeah, no, I'm playing this account mildly aggressive. I want to try aggressivity, but calmly.
Aggressivity.
Yeah, no, but calmly.
Cool.
When I'm under control and just watching, waiting for setups. It's all good. There's no rush. I don't have to end green today. I'll just get back on it tomorrow. That kind of attitude. It's going pretty well.
We need to set up a certain day and be like full port Friday or something.
Mm,
Just go aggressive as hell all day long, see what happens.
Yeah, full port Tuesday is good.
All right, tomorrow morning, same place, same
Yep.
time, full port.
Tuesday.
Probably.
Maybe not full port, but just aggressive as hell.
Tuesday and Wednesday are the best days.
I don't think. I think full port really should mean about 1/6 of your max size, using Apex contract sizes. So that'd
Okay, we
be
got the
about
15 minutes.
that'd be about 2 minis max on the 50K account. You shouldn't do more than that, because then you're just asking to lose the account.
Lower.
At least in my opinion. Not financial advice, entertainment.
Well, typically when people talk about full port, they're buying both sides. They expect one to win and one to lose.
Yeah, sometimes, for sure. But no, I think a lot of the people that say full port in the streams only have one account they're full porting. There's not many people that have the guts to go both ways.
Kind of just been in the range since about 10 o'clock. Down at the bottom of it now, see if we go down or push back up to the top.
There's the retest. Mike knows what that means.
Does that mean I thought about it, but I'm not sure?
No. I'm short. 956. It might mean like, kind of a wide stop at the top. 20,006. But I'm
So
short.
We did come down and test the 21,944, but couldn't quite break it, push back up.
At 12.
I want to see it break that level and hold it.
The retail reversal.
We're getting a heat wave this week. You guys are getting the same weather system, or you're too far away? You're too far away.
Yeah.
But
Yeah, and you're the one to blame, Mike, with your truck that you run for hours out in the driveway just to warm it up. You're polluting the environment, bro.
Global warming, it's all your fault. Turning your heaters on every day of the year. Like, I use the heater like one day the entire year.
Using a gas stove. Come on.
Yeah.
we don't
Get out of here with that. Get out of here.
But yeah, we do warm up our cars. Our car starters are I think that's the greatest thing since sliced bread. It's hell getting into a cold car.
You have to. I mean, come on.
Yeah, I do that like once a year too.
Well, you
Omnius
guys do
knows
the air
that.
conditioning.
Omnius knows that from living in Alabama or wherever.
You do it for the air conditioning. You start it so you get the air conditioning going.
Yeah, that's
One of
right.
the last times I was in Florida, I went out with my cousins. She left a plastic little portable radio on her dashboard.
Oh
The
god.
fucking thing, it melted. It melted and it deformed. How crazy is that?
You get in a
About to
hot car.
dump so hard.
You get in a hot car in Florida, you literally might die.
Yeah, never mind the alligators, right?
Oh, we love the alligator like pets.
You get used to them, I guess. Go ahead.
Oh, I saw something in the news on newsfeed. Man arrested after being bitten by a gator. I just laughed. I didn't even click on the article. I just laughed. I was like, what?
Mm.
You
The
got
funny
bit by
thing
an
is,
alligator.
the majority of people in Florida that you hear about getting bit by an alligator are literally fucking with the alligator.
Yeah,
It's,
they agitated
it's
it.
normally not the other way around unless they're a small kid. You probably shouldn't let your small
Yeah.
kid next to the pond, but other than that, it's normally people fucking with the alligator.
Mm.
Well, he didn't. Yeah. I saw the mugshot. I was like, I just started laughing because, you know,
You get people swimming in the lakes trying to kiss the alligators and give them hugs. It's like, what the fuck are you doing? It's natural selection. Some people just
Uh-huh.
deserve what they get.
Darwin Awards, all that.
We had one guy in Florida try to kiss a rattlesnake.
Oh my god.
He got exactly what he should have got. It's just
His
some
picture
people.
in the paper.
Yeah, his funeral picture. Dumbass.
Well, you
I mean,
know
if you-
Alligator Alley? Is it still called Alligator Alley? There's that one road that goes across Florida from west to east.
No, I don't know.
No, maybe it's not called Alligator Alley anymore.
Now I'm gonna have to look it up. Is it a good motorcycle ride? I might take my motorcycle.
Well, when we were there last, there's nothing on it. I don't even think there's one gas station. You have to pass a little booth that you enter in it, and there's a girl in there, and she checks that. She tells you for the next 300 miles, there's no gas station. There's no nothing. You can't turn around. There's no roads. It's just one way straight to the other side. They forewarn you, you know, and it's full of alligators, but there's people fishing. I was saying, you know, like me, I don't know. I'm from the north, so I'm saying, oh my God. But you know what? I guess when you live there, you know, the gators aren't going to bother you. They're just out there sunning, and they have no interest in you.
Alligator Alley looks like Everglades Parkway. Yeah,
Yeah, that would be it.
it's down by Fort Lauderdale.
Yep, cuts across.
Mhm. No, it goes across the whole state, huh?
We were in, I think, St. Petersburg, or yeah, I think it was St. Petersburg, and we went across to the other side.
By Daytona, there's a thing kind of like that we took our motorcycles on. There's a bunch of alligators and stuff. People fishing.
Mm.
Like I said, though, most
Short.
of the time people get bits because they're fucking with the alligators. So I did find out that Florida is the shark capital of the world.
Oh, can't be.
That's what they say.
Yeah.
So more
Yeah,
people
no,
get
that's
more
that's
people
probably
get bit
right.
in Florida than anywhere else.
Maybe shark capital of the U.S., not the world.
It's
a
in the
lot
world.
of hammerheads in Florida, but they don't normally bite. But yeah, you're right.
I didn't
Not
even know that
wrong.
we had to worry about sharks.
Look at the 5 minute.
about
Boom.
Long or
We're
short.
going down. Short.
Why? We just broke the high.
And you're at a fair value gap.
Oh, that.
No.
No gap? 5 minute gap. I see it right on my chart.
Yeah.
It's already
Yeah,
been
we
tested
just
once.
got- we just- We just
second
tapped.
time.
It's being held.
Up.
Yeah. Holding it.
Could see a short signal. I don't know. I don't know if I want it. There it is right there.
Yeah, I see it.
That's weird. Why am I
It is.
calling the short before your signal?
I have no idea.
Because your signal's probably different than mine.
Yep, that's what I thought.
Mike always calls his right before I call mine.
That is true.
Oh, that's cool.
He's always in about 5 to 10 points before me.
I'm a premature caller.
We're going 100 points down right now.
Oh, no. Some guy said earlier, long all day, full port.
Well, yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
and we did that. We accomplished it. And I got out and I told you guys I'm flat.
Yeah, I know. I'm just messing with you.
Let's see what happens.
We could see a short here.
fine.
Yeah, Mike gets in earlier, but then he gets a lot more false signals. So we gotta get in on his strategy and out on my strategy, I guess.
Oh, yeah, we talked about that. Yeah, we need some kind of synergy.
There's a gap. I don't like it. 5-minute gap. Filling. Again. Can definitely gap and go.
Yeah, we got a gap. We're at a support level from overnight. Looks like it's going now.
Wood chip, since you've been you know a lot about the YouTube scenario. What's a good way to do a giveaway besides just I'm doing a giveaway at 10:30? That's boring. I was thinking maybe me and Omnius trade against each other. You know, we dedicate an account and the viewers guess who has a better day. And then if Omnius has a better day, all the people on his side are in the draw. I was thinking something like that. Omnius had a good idea also, but I don't remember what it was.
Yeah, I guess. I mean, if you each are like long and Omnius is short, then yeah, chat viewers could bet on the direction. Is that what you mean?
Yeah, something like that. You know, they just say who's gonna end the day more green, or who's gonna make the most money or lose the less.
Well, if you're doing a giveaway, it has to have a timestamp. It can't be end of day because no one would wait around for that. Yeah, the whole point of giveaways is to keep people in your stream. That's why they do them.
Is that why they do them?
Yeah, that's absolutely why they do that.
So you just said a contradiction.
We're gonna do a giveaway, but you'll have 20-minute like Travis trades. Or trading with Travis?
No, but you just said you don't want to do it at the end of the day, and then you said you want to keep them in your stream.
Well, yeah, but at this point in the day, who would stay around for 4 o'clock?
No. It
kind of a long target there.
11 o'clock. The bell rings at 11.
That's why I was saying it's got to be random. You got to pick a day and tell people there's going to be a giveaway, but it's random.
9:30 to 11. We trade 9:30 to 11.
This is going to dump so hard.
All right, I'll be back in a minute.
Or, wait a minute. Guy, he never listens.
I'm going to start a conspiracy that he's not from Florida.
That's true. Fishing Slots Florida hasn't shown up in a while.
Sort of figuring out if you drove 2 hours with a U-Haul.
Do you have too much time on your hands?
Nah, I'm just.
What are you figuring out?
I'm just by nature a detective, and so that's what makes me love the charts.
Oh yeah, they said we are going to have 43 degrees this week. Do you want to know what 43 degrees is? I'll tell you what it is. For Quebec, it's a rarity.
90.
Yeah, maybe it could be. I'm thinking a little bit more than that. What's 43 degrees Celsius in Fahrenheit? It is 109.
Wow.
I don't see how that's possible. That doesn't even make sense.
Because of all your cars warming up in the morning.
Yeah.
You're the problem.
Environment and Climate Canada. Yeah, right on my phone. There's a warning just as soon as you open it up from
109. Yeah, you're the problem, guy.
And no, not just me though.
You're the problem? What do you do?
Others are also the problem. It's not just me warming up my car.
Your stream's gonna get banned because you're polluting.
Oh yeah. There's damn people from Canada
with climate control.
Always complaining they're cold.
Well, look, I'm wearing a sweater, and we have an environment warning that it's going to be 109 Fahrenheit.
Yeah, you said it never gets cold in your house. But
Hey,
No,
we got
I
what?
said it never gets warm where I
Hey,
am. It's always freezing.
we got a warning in the States also. Something about bombs and terrorists.
Really?
Yeah. We're at
cool.
a heightened warning State Department put out.
Put some gasoline on that fire down ski.
Well, where can we trade to? Let's look at the 30-minute. We're just kind of holding at the London highs, and there was a support there on the 30-minute.
They got everybody
I want
excited.
100 points.
What's that?
Look at the 30-minute. Doesn't look like much.
Yeah, I'm looking at it now.
100 points.
It's a bull flag.
Yeah, I
Yeah,
see
look
both.
at the 15 minute.
I can see a bull flag.
That's why it's too hard to look at too many charts, because you're going to see different things on every chart.
No, you go from the higher,
Oh, look at that nice
Really?
hammer candle on the 15.
the 4 hours, the 1 hour.
Why nobody called that hammer candle this morning?
If the longer time frames agree with each other, then you know you have something. That's it. It's not complicated. It's not a bunch of time frames. You just look at each one from daily to 4 hour to 1 hour. I use 2 hour also to divide the 4 hour. And then
Is that-
15.
Is that ICP?
Yeah, it's the ICP stuff. No, I mean, yeah, I guess it is, because it completely changed my life and
I
how I
know.
see charts. But
I know, I was just making jokes. Everything's
it's
for
not the snuff that you see everyone touting online and hating, and I mean that's always going to exist. People will always hate. So
Do we got to get Mike for the disclaimer? Everything we say is a joke. We're not serious, not financial advice.
Not financial advisors. Entertainment only. No.
ICT is great. We love it.
no, I don't care about any allegiance, but all I'm saying is that I did everything. I did MACD, Golden Cross, everything you can name, I've traded it. I obsessed and went down the rabbit hole with everything I could find.
So the way I think about it nowadays is everything works and everything doesn't work. It's all about the trader.
Yeah, but it's about consistency is the bottom line. And
Right.
I didn't find consistency in any of the systems that I tried and lost a lot of money doing,
Exactly. You got to find what works for you. And generally what works for you is what you back test. Because then you got more faith in it.
Mm-hmm.
And it's a lot more psychology than people want to admit. I mean, you could flip a coin, you get 50-50. 50-50 beats 90% of traders. So you could beat 90% of traders flipping a coin. So there's other people out there that trade the moon strategy. Y'all ever seen that? Buy or sell by the phase of the moon? And you can look back on that. And
No,
that's
I never tried that. Maybe I should try that. Maybe that's it.
They got it on TradingView. I'm telling you, put it on your chart, on a longer time frame chart. You're like, damn, that works too. Yeah, people out here trading by the moon.
Yeah, anything over a certain time frame works, and you can say, "See, I was right. It went there." Give me a break. That's why everybody is on streams to share their stupid opinion, like me included.
Well, I think where a lot of streamers mess up is there's like, it has to do this, it has to do that. Trust me, I know this. And it's like, you don't know shit. Ain't nobody knows shit, It's like,
I know. I was watching Daniel
everything works,
Inskeep.
everything doesn't work.
You know Daniel Inskeep?
Oh, hold on, real quick about that. It's his birthday today too, isn't it? Hey, Mike, you
Daniel?
share a birthday with that guy. Didn't he have it?
Oh, yeah.
I think he's got it on his stream now, right? I seen
Who?
Daniel Inskeep.
Oh yeah.
Now I'm gonna have to look it up.
He
Pretty sure it's his birthday today.
he had some guy come into his chat like 8 months ago. I was watching, and the guy was typing in all capitals, "Trust me, bro, I will make you millions." And he got baited on it and took the trade and blew his accounts. It was phenomenally hilarious. It was so good. I wish I had popcorn to make, you know. It was so good.
If you're
Thank you.
yeah, Daniel Inskeep, today's his birthday. Doing a birthday giveaway.
Thank you.
But if you get into a trade because somebody on a chat told you to do it, then that's your fault.
Yeah, to be hosting a channel and then be like, "Oh, okay." Yeah, it was pretty funny because then the guy was like, "I didn't say do it right now."
So what do you think about a long right here? Come down, tested that gap, tested the support. Couldn't quite break through it. Now it's trying to push up. And we have an inside bar on the 5 minute.
Inside bar. Gotta love those. No.
I've been watching them for the highs and the lows. I don't care about none of the rest.
Straight to hell. Straight to hell. 820. Give me my 100 points, bro.
The 5 minute. So we could do at the high, stop at the low. 2 to 1.
Yeah, it's a good long trade. To 22.
20 point stop, 40 point
No.
take profit.
21,985 maybe.
It's not really the swing low, so I don't know. Kind of keeping an eye on that strategy while we're in these ranging markets. Hey, what? I think Mike fell asleep.
No, I'm here. My sound is on. I didn't know how I had to set up Nightbot as a moderator.
Oh yeah.
I just caught another 100. Maybe that's why it's all fucking up my trades.
You already had Nightbot as a moderator, otherwise it wouldn't have worked.
I don't know, but I never set it up.
Really?
I'm gonna go at it.
Why do you need Nightbot?
I don't know, just to send inspirational messages to people. Look at the messages I send. You know, keep people. I think it'll help.
You don't want to be typing every half an hour, whatever you want to say.
Exactly.
Well, we already swept the overnight lows. So what are you going to do? Oh, no, we didn't. What am I saying? We're going downtown.
Yeah, I can see a short or a long. Really looking like a short, isn't it?
I think so. I'm short 958 for micros.
Happen in my chat.
Stop is 22,006.
Participants. Some feedback. Okay, I'm only down 171. I'm getting there. Chipping away at it. Could have gotten another long right there. That would have been a good one, actually. Oh, I'll take it. Not a long, sorry. Short.
I'm gonna take one of my funded. Let's go.
Don't reach up. You reached up too high.
I don't know. I kind of want this long.
Again.
It is a long day, right?
I think I'm going to have to take one. I'm just going to give it a 1 just to watch it. Top at 933.
I just got in at 950 short.
Oh, short.
Yeah, 85 stop.
I want my take profit at 922, but I don't really want to watch it for that long. Y'all ever do that? You get in a trade and you're like, I don't want to watch it for that long.
Yeah, that really happens in the evening session. The evening section is hell for that.
That's why I'm more
I mean,
of a
as long as
scalper.
you have your stop, you got your entry, your stop, and your take profit, you should be fine. You can walk away. Like,
See, I just don't have that much faith in stop loss and take profit.
why not?
Had one fail a few weeks ago. Blew right through it. Took the order out and everything. They don't always work.
But it's
And-
control because, like, how many months ago, under the tariffs of Trump, were we seeing 1 minute candles that were 100 points? You have to have a stop. You cannot
Right.
not have a stop.
I agree with that. But that don't mean the stop has to work.
No, but it's got to be like in the, yeah, in the realm of what isn't possible, what you don't think it'll go to, where you are actually wrong and it hits it and you're like, damn, I was wrong. And then you have to sit with that. You don't trade again. You just sit with that loss.
That's not what
and
I'm
you're
talking
like,
about. I'm talking about if it's too volatile, it can go right through your stop. And
Yeah,
then you're
slippage.
and then you'll kick it out the order. Your broker will kick out
True.
the order.
Yeah, your stop's too tight then.
No.
But right now on a 5 minute, a stop at 985 doesn't seem to me to be too bad.
So to have a stop, you're placing an order. There has to be somebody on the other side of that order. There's nobody there to go right through it.
Yeah, but I'm below the highs.
Then once it goes through the stop, they'll kick out the stop because you can't have a stop above the price that you're at.
Oh, no. They just give you, no, they have to fill you at the best price available. First best price. Wherever there's a buyer.
No, it didn't do that to me a few weeks ago.
That's just platform stupidity. That's platform gymnastics. It's not supposed to. When a stop gets triggered, it has to go as a market order and fill you at the. Maybe you did a stop limit.
Nope.
Market if touched. Maybe you made a mistake you didn't realize.
All those things are the same thing. Stop limit just means when you get there, it's going to make it a market order, but at that price.
No, a limit order at that price.
Limit order at that price.
Which means, yeah, if price goes below it, you can't have a limit order to buy at a higher price. So yeah, then you'll get an error.
Lunchtime, everyone's going for a sandwich. Look out.
Y'all ain't never seen stops fail?
No, never in my life. I got bad fills, but never one fail. That's the whole purpose of the stop. It can't fail.
I got a
So I think
video
maybe
of
you
it.
made
You
Yeah.
can literally
Well,
go watch
yeah.
the video.
No, you can have Mike.
Show me. I want to see it. I want to see it.
It's on my
Mike,
shorts.
I think that you can have a stop
Which one?
with the with the slippage and get stopped higher.
Yeah, slippage. He's saying it failed. He's not talking slippage. He's saying it failed.
Well, I think he's saying the same thing.
No, I
No,
don't.
no.
I think he's saying it failed.
It failed, yeah. Completely failed. Then they got rid of the order. Mm-hmm.
Well, that's happened on Rhythmic to me a bunch of times. Rhythmic
Yeah.
sucks.
My trade got stopped out.
Are you Rhythmic?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's no good.
Oh, you looked over the video. You saw it did work in the end.
I've showed you the video before. You've seen it before.
I
Says
don't remember.
the picture on the video says stop loss didn't work. FOMC volatility. But it wasn't even when they were doing the FOMC. It was just
Take
that
care,
day.
Skeletor. Take care, Richard. See you tomorrow.
You want to watch it? Go watch the video.
Time to eat. I'll go watch it. What does it say? Again?
Oh God! Now I just clicked off of it. FOMC didn't work. Or no, stop loss didn't work.
Okay,
Wait.
I'll go look.
Don't do that. Do reopen. Not that one. It's in the shorts
Right.
videos.
Yeah.
Move the stop in profit. Let's go. Straight down. Come on. Not yet. Not yet.
Okay, so I'm gonna go sit outside in 100-degree heat, watch my daughter swim, make a barbecue.
Nice.
So
Yeah,
Mike, the
maybe,
video
yeah.
says got a girl holding her head. The stop loss didn't work. NQ negative 46 points. The stop loss was at 20. Flew right through it and then kicked the stop loss out.
Okay, I'm gonna take a look at that. Hey, you got to show me what exact prompt you're using to get that girl dancing.
I told you.
No, let me just finish my story. I used a whole bunch of prompts yesterday. All I can get was, did you see the girl dressed up like a nun in my video?
I saw that, yeah.
Anything else that I tried to suggest, it said, we can't make videos like that.
I was going to comment and say, oh, so you got to go with the brunette, huh?
I said, really? You can't do a video like that? I said, one button open, showing a little cleavage, short skirt.
Yeah, they won't do any of that.
So what do you type? That you got the girls' boobs are bouncing in your Omnius T-shirt?
All I put was girl dancing in front of a stock chart
with a red T-shirt that says Omnius.
On that one, I put Omnius on the T-shirt.
Yeah, you called it a T-shirt or a crop top?
I just called it a T-shirt.
Well.
I've noticed that you got to be kind of vague, and the first time I tried with the last video, it told me it wouldn't do it. Forget what I put. It was something the same thing. Like I just took out one word and then it worked.
I got so many on Saturday when we were up north and we were kind of like chatting, but on the comment sections.
Yeah.
I got refused so many times that the message was, you can't try anymore to create any videos. Come back tomorrow.
Oh, wow.
What did you got fed up with me?
What did you do?
Nothing. I mean, I had it so tame. It was it was crazy.
So I think what it is they want like short prompts, short vague prompts. And you're getting like too much in the detail. Try to be like more vague. Like literally just put in girl dancing in front of desk with stock chart.
Yeah.
But I was going to tell you that you're posting your videos too close together. Those shorts.
Yeah.
They don't like it when you do like one after another. They call it for spam. That's why it's not getting the views.
I was just playing them. I was just learning how to do it. So.
Yeah, and that's stupid because you can't schedule those. It's like, well, what the heck you want me to do?
Anyways, my next prompt is I'm gonna write girl like in Omnius video dancing. Give me that girl.
You could take the video and give it to GPT. I want this girl, but in a different video. Nah, I just had a girl dancing in front of stock chart.
Yeah, no, any word I put, if I put cleavage, I even put very little cleavage, got refused.
Yeah, they won't do that. Just put blonde girl dancing or something.
Yeah, I said sitting in a chair, showing her sexy feet. That didn't work.
Yeah.
Wow, very detailed. Very detailed.
Yeah, they won't do all that.
Very detailed.
I was joking on that one, by the way.
I mean,
but yeah, no, they wouldn't do anything.
I mean, they can have videos all over YouTube of women showing their breasts, but you can't say cleavage.
The only thing I got was attractive Mediterranean girl. That's what you see there. That's what I got.
There you go. With maracas.
I should have thought about that. With clickers.
See, I never even put all that. I put like girl dancing at the beach or girl Dancing at the beach in front of a trading desk.
Oh man.
Okay, guys, I'm down $11. I think you can see it. So I recovered from being down 900. And
You should be short.
no, I gotta go. My daughter's waiting for me. My wife wants her iced cappuccino. Then my daughter wants me to keep her company while she's swimming. My wife's gonna come outside. Then it's barbecue time. So I think my schedule is pretty
Right
much
on.
today.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I hear
Hey,
you.
so
Okay.
wood chip, you heard about the sexy girls that Omnius has, right? Check
No,
my
I didn't know that they were sexy. I just heard they were girls.
check out
That's all I put. Mike's saying the sexy part. I just put girls.
check out the first 30 seconds of my closing screen. I stole one of his girls.
Where is
He's
it?
got a whole
Oh,
bunch
no.
of them. I stole one of his girls.
I'm
Okay,
not sure
guys.
I want to see that.
Yeah, don't worry. It's very tame. And besides, they're
Okay.
his girls. If you don't like it, complain. Everybody who's in my stream, thank you for showing up. I'll be back tomorrow at 9:15 a.m.
Sending
Thanks,
my
Mike.
complaint compartment to Mike at a futures floor.
That's it. If you have to file any complaints for any reason,
He's got a file
Send it.
desk.
send them to Woodchip or to Omnius. Guys, the two of you also, thanks for showing up. And we'll check in tomorrow. Take care.
All right, see everybody Monday.
Bye-bye.
See you, man.
Later. Later, what's up? It's not there. You missed it.
What?
The girl dancing.
No, it's there. I put it
Oh,
up
there it
after
is.
she says, let's make trading great again. That's when I put it in. I wait.
Ah, okay.
Okay, guys. I'm
Later.
hanging up from Discord.
Trading is done. The charts have had their say. Bulls and bears have battled. Now we call it a day. With NASDAQ's lessons learned and futures still in sight, we'll be back tomorrow chasing profits right. Streams ending soon, but we'll meet again. Markets never sleep. This is not the end. Own your future now. Let the charts reveal. With NASDAQ's rhythm, the grind is real. Some wins, some losses. That's the trader's way. We learn, adapt, and come back to play. Tomorrow brings new moves, new chances to sway. So rest up now, we'll be back to trade. Streams ending soon, but we'll meet again. Markets never sleep. This is not the end. Own your future now. Let the charts reveal. With NASDAQ's rhythm, the grind is real. So close the books, take a breath, unwind. The market's rhythm will always shine. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With NASDAQ's rhythm, the grind is real. Streams ending soon, but we'll meet again. Markets never sleep. This is not the end. Own your future now. Let the charts reveal. With NASDAQ's rhythm, the grind is real. Some wins, some losses. That's the trader's way. We learn, adapt, and come back to play. Tomorrow brings new moves, new chances to sway. So rest up now, we'll be back to trade. So close the books, take a breath, unwind. The market's rhythm will always shine. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With NASDAQ's rhythm, the grind is real. Well, the trading day is done. The charts have had their say. Bulls and bears have battled. Now we call it a day. With NASDAQ's lessons learned and futures still in sight, we'll be back tomorrow chasing profits right. Streams ending soon, but we'll meet again. The markets never sleep. This is not the end. Own your future now. Let the charts reveal. With NASDAQ's rhythm, the grind is real. Some wins, some losses, that's the trader's way. We learn, adapt, and come back to play. Tomorrow brings new moves, new chances to sway. So rest up now, we'll be back to trade. Streams ending soon, but we'll meet again. Markets never sleep. This is not the end. Own your future now. Let the charts reveal. With NASDAQ's rhythm, the grind is real. So close the books, take a breath, unwind. The market's rhythm will always shine. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With NASDAQ's rhythm, the grind is real. Streams ending soon, but we'll meet again. Markets never sleep. This is not the end. Own your future now. Let the charts reveal. With now.